Hello, I'm Stephen Morris with Lyndex-Nikken. This is Alex joining us with Kawasaki, and we're at our IMTS booth 2024, standing in front of our EZ-Tend machine tending solution. This is a pallet-based machine tending system. We have 3 pallet sizes, 6x6, 6x9, and 9x20. One of our key features is we have access to our parts tower, 3 sides of our parts tower while the system is running. You're able to quickly access your parts, switch out your new parts for your finished parts, and move on to the HMI to keep the cell running. On this system, we've partnered with Kawasaki, and Alex is going to tell us some of our key benefits of his robot.
Yeah, thanks, Stephen. So, yeah, the RS25 behind us is a R-Series Kawasaki industrial robot, 25 kg payload, and really what makes it good for applications like this is the fact that it's it's got the environmental resistance of IP67. So if you have cutting fluid or some other type of contaminant that's going to be prevalent in the cell, you can positively pressure the arm and keep all those contaminants outside of the robot. But also you'll see for a 25 kg robot, it's actually got quite a compact footprint and a very flexible work envelope. So here, you know, comparable robots would be much larger. The wrist would be cross-sectionally much larger. It'd make it harder to get into tight spaces. So it's really a good fit with the Lyndex-Nikken technology and this solution as an overall customized solution for robot tending.
Thank you, Alex. I think the last big feature we'd like to cover is our HMI, our user interface, to show what it takes to set up a program and keep your shop running. Here we are at the HMI. It consists of 4 menus. Our home screen shows us the overview of the system. To set up production, we'll go into our shelving screen, and here we have 4 columns. Each column relates to a side on our parts tower. We'll set up side C for production. I start by choosing the shelves. In this instance, we're going to run shelf 3 and shelf 6. We also select our pallet size. In this case, it's 6x9, and we'll set it up to place 2 in the machine at a time. We will hit enable, and at this point we hit start. And that's how easy it is to set up production on the EZ-Tend. Thank you for joining us at IMTS. For more information, please find it at Lyndex-Nikken.com.